If you want to connect all your social accounts to Whop quickly and correctly, this video is going to walk you through the full process, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to link platforms like Discord, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, TradingView, and X inside your Whop account without getting stuck. This is a super useful setup if you're building a community, selling digital products, or managing a business through Whop. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, head over to whop.com and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account menu. In that drop-down menu, you'll see a gear icon right next to your username. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. Now you're in the account management area. On the left side, look for the sidebar menu and select Connected Accounts. This is where Whop stores all the integrations you can connect to your profile. You'll now see a grid of available platforms, including Discord, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, TradingView, and X. Each one will have an add button or a plus icon next to it. To begin connecting a platform, just click the button on the card for the account you want to add. Let's start with TradingView. Click the Add button on the TradingView card. Then type or paste your exact TradingView username into the input field. Make sure it matches your username properly so the system can find the right account. After that, click Connect. In this case, TradingView usually connects instantly, so you don't need any extra verification token. Once that's done, your TradingView account should be linked to Whop. Next, let's go through Instagram, TikTok, and X. These platforms use a verification code process. First, enter your full channel URL or your public username or handle into the field on Whop, then copy the unique 6-digit verification code that appears on the dashboard. Now open your social app and go to your profile settings. Then choose Edit Profile. In the bio section, paste the 6-digit code into your public bio description and save the changes. After that, return to Whop and click Verify. Once Whop confirms the link, you can safely remove that temporary code from your bio again. For YouTube, the process is very similar, but the code goes into your channel description instead of a bio. Start by entering your YouTube channel URL or custom handle in the field on Whop. Copy the 6-digit verification code shown on the dashboard. Then open a new tab and log into YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio and from the left-hand menu, click Customization. At the top, select the Basic Info tab. Scroll down to your channel's main description box, then paste the code somewhere inside that text area. When you're done, click Publish in the top right corner. After that, go back to Whop, click Verify, and once the channel is linked successfully, you can delete the code from your YouTube description. Now let's connect Discord. Click the Add button on the Discord card, and Whop will redirect you to a secure external Discord browser window. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Discord account there. Then click the blue Authorize button at the bottom of the window to grant the Whop bot permission to verify your profile credentials. After you authorize it, the window will close automatically, and you'll be brought back to Whop with Discord connected. Finally, let's connect Telegram. Copy the unique connection code from the Whop dialog window. Open the Telegram app and use the search bar to find the official bot handle, which is at Whop_bot. Start a chat with the bot by clicking Start, or type and send /start in the conversation. Then paste your copied connection code into the chat and send it directly to the bot. Wait a few seconds for the confirmation. Once the bot successfully registers the code, the setup window on Whop will close automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect all your social accounts to Whop. Whether you're linking Discord, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, X, or TradingView, the process is straightforward once you know where to click and what verification method each platform uses. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.